I like living in Wisconsin because we create a lot of cool things. And I'm like, dang, I'm part of that, creating just that little piece of smoked meat specialties in Wisconsin, along with many, many other manufacturers that create really cool things. The product that we create is more than just bacon. Matter of fact, Bob Nueske wrote a book called Beyond Bacon, and it really is that. There's something special about the product and the loyalty that people have to the Nueske brand. It's exciting to create a product like that. You can see the result of your work. If you like that, manufacturing's for you, because every day you get to create all these different products and you're like, hey, there's a pallet full of bacon right there, and I did that. All the skills are teachable for manufacturing, but if you enjoy what you do, that's where I would give advice to young people, like, do what you love, do what you care about, what brings you value. I started in food microbiology, so I cared a lot about how clean the barn was, how clean the milk house was, and so I thought my path was going to be food microbiology. And so I spent a lot of time in food safety here at Nueske's, but what I discovered is that I enjoyed the training and development part of the food safety job, but beyond food safety, it was creating a culture where people cared about what they did, and then they would enhance the training program by what they brought to the table. No one really cares about good manufacturing practices and following all the rules of food safety. What they cared about is the culture of the company and that connection that they felt to what they did, feeling valuable to what they did. And I felt the same way. I wanted to be a part of that. And we have a really cool thing going on here at Nueske's. And as we were growing, we wanted to make sure we protected it and pass it on to others. In manufacturing, there's many types of roles. And a matter of fact, specifically here at Nueske's, we've had several people who they didn't have to have a college degree. They worked their way up into different jobs, into leadership jobs, into trainers, into IT people. And so I think, we like that balance of growing from within and then also hiring from the outside. Nueske's products for sure make a difference in people's lives because we create a dining experience. And I'm sure you have thought about, like, food creates connections, right? That's why we have meals together, or when we have a celebrations, we always have food. And we're just a part of that experience and connection through the products that we create for people.